Today I'll be discussing about new Turkish series Tustali Ceylan, which has been recently released. I'll be sharing my thoughts about this series or whether is it worth watching or not. I'll be sharing about this series in my whole video. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with the storyline. So it's a story of young poor girl Ceylan who is living with her son Yusuf and her cruel husband Najmi, who physically and emotionally abuses her. So she was physically assaulted by Najmi at a very young age, and she was forced to marry Najmi by her family. And I was like, the family who should have supported their daughter, they just forced her to marry him. So she is living with him, with Najmi and her son Yusuf. On other hand, she is secretly getting training from a health school. So her plan is that once she get that diploma degree, so she'll run away with her son Yusuf. But there comes a twist in the series where Ceylan plans get failed to escape. So before revealing that twist, I'll talk about the Ferhat character who is playing the main lead in the series. So he's basically the right hand guy of a powerful rich businessman and a mafia bakery. So he's living with his family. So I like the Ferhat character. He's a very honest and a very respected guy, very kind to people, very kind to a poor people. So I loved his character, also the way he has acted in this series. So I loved his performance as well. And let's move back to the actual twist of this series is that Najmi, who is secretly meeting his first wife, so she is demanding a very huge amount of money from Najmi because she wants to start a business, and if Najmi will not give that amount to her, so she will not meet him and will not allow her son to meet him. So in that pressure, Najmi get involved with mafia people who are basically a human traffickers. So they offer Najmi a very huge amount of money if Najmi will sell Yusuf kidney to them. So Najmi accepts that offer, and due to this, whole world of Ceylan gets shattered. She is so shocked and traumatized. She can't believe that this happened to Yusuf, and this is the actual twist of this series, main twist of this series. So Sumaya, who has played the role of Ceylan, her performance is so good. I love her performance. It has very emotional scenes in which you will actually cry in that scene. The way she has acted is so real. It will feel like that it's her own child. So I loved her performance also. If I talk about the romance, so there is a scene of love at first sight where Ferhat falls in love with Ceylan at first sight, and it has been beautifully shown. I love that scene. So overall, I enjoyed binge watching the first two episodes. So I will tell you about what I liked and what I didn't like. So what I liked is the performance of every actor is so good, especially the performance of Ceylan is so real and natural. The way she has acted, I loved her performance. She has really done a great job in this. And the secondly, which I liked, is the chemistry between Ceylan and Ferhat is so beautiful. In fact, I was thinking I will not like their chemistry and all. I was assuming in my mind, but I loved their chemistry. In fact, I'm so excited to binge watch the other episodes where they will actually get fell in love with each other. So I'm very excited to watch those scenes. So I love their chemistry. And third, which I liked, is Dilara, who is the girlfriend of Bakery, and also the Ceylan. She's working in Dilara house as a house help, and she's taking care of Dilara mother as well. She's a very supportive friend, and I love the bond between Ceylan and Dilara. She's a very positive character in this series. And what I didn't like is that there is a scene where Ferhat could have revealed truth about Najmi to Ceylan, that Najmi sold his son kidney to mafia people, but he doesn't reveal that truth, which I didn't like. But then it was a disappointment at that moment, but then it later got revealed, the truth gets revealed. But it was like that he should have told her at that time. And yes, I enjoyed watching it. Also, if you are interested to binge watch or you are looking to binge watch something action kind of a series which has action, thrill, crime, suspense. So you should binge watch this one. It has lot of suspense. Also, it will keep you hooked throughout the episode. It keep me hooked throughout the episode. I was like, what will happen in the next episode? So overall, it's a very great series, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And last, I would like to say, if you want me to review any series, any previous one or the latest one, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to know this. So yeah, that's it for now.